2017 Ford Raptor, local, accident-free, 3.5 liter twin turbo under the hood. Tailgate step, bed extender. As you can see, spray and liner. Give you a look inside here. This one's very well equipped. Leather, power, heated, cooled front seats, dual panel moonroof, heated rear seats, by the way. Sync 3, navigation, reverse sensing, rear view camera, 360-degree view, remote entry, remote start. Vehicle's got it all. Beautiful vehicle. You're gonna love it, and you'll find it at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln at 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.